Hello students and welcome back. Today we are going to do the political parties MCQ and short answer. This is chapter 6 for class 10th. ये आपका class 10th का 6th chapter है and this is part of the reduced syllabus for this year. I hope आपको मेरे videos पसंद आते हैं and if you enjoy those videos please do subscribe, like and share with your friends. This MCQ is divided into four different parts, roughly 20 odd questions in each part. So let's quickly start the part 1. What are the parties which are given the special privilege of election symbol and other facilities? तो क्वेश्चन है ऐसी कौन सी पार्टीज हैं या उनको क्या कहा जाता है जिनको स्पेशल प्रिविलेज या इलेक्शन सिंबल वगैरह अदर फैसिलिटीज मिलती हैं. These are attached by the election commission, they are recognized by the election commission, or they are identified by the election commission, or they are patronized by the election commission. And students, इसका आंसर है they are recognized by the election commission. थोड़ा इसके बारे में हम और पढ़ते so that you can answer some short answer on that also. So students, if you read the page 79, every party in the country has to register with the election commission. While the commission treats all parties equally, it offers some special facilities to large and established party. तो जो बड़ी पार्टीज होती हैं और established पार्टी होती हैं उनको ये थोड़ा एक प्रिविलेज देते हैं या फैसिलिटीज देते हैं. These parties are given a unique symbol, जैसे कि आपको पता है कांग्रेस का है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी का है, ऐसी जो बड़ी बड़ी पार्टीज हैं आम आदमी पार्टी का है, एंड ओनली द ऑफिशियल कैंडिडेट्स ऑफ दैट पार्टी कैन यूज दैट इलेक्शन सिंबल. पार्टीज that get this privilege and some other special facilities are recognized by the election commission for this purpose. तो election commission जिनको recognize करता है, these are those parties. How many recognized national parties were there in 2006? 8, 5, 7 or 6? And students, इसका आंसर है in 2006 there were 6 national parties which were recognized. इसके अलावा the latest, as per the latest book, this question will change because it will have maybe an option where it will tell you tell us recognized national parties in the country in 2018 because book में mention किया हुआ है. So इसमें आंसर है according to this classification there were 7 recognized national parties in the country in 2018. इन सबके पार्टीज के नाम भी हैं. There is All India Trinamool Congress, AITC. Then we have Bharatiya Janata Party, second. Then we have CPIM or Communist Party of India Marxist. Then we have Communist Party of India Marxist. Then we have Indian National Congress. Then we have what else we have? National Congress Party. अलग अलग हैं, आप ध्यान रखना. these are, और उसके अलावा फिर स्टेट पार्टीज हैं. Which one of the following is the guiding philosophy of the भारतीय जनता पार्टी और BJP? Revolutionary democracy, modernity, cultural nationalism और बहुजन समाज. है ना स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आपने बुक पढ़ी होगी तो इसका आंसर है cultural nationalism is the philosophy of the भारतीय जनता पार्टी. A government is expected to base its policies on the line taken by the all nominated parties, opposition party and ruling party, or ruling party, or just all. And students, answer for this is, आपको पता ही होगा जो ruling party होती है वही अपनी policies अब करती है. So answer is, a government is expected to base its policies on the line taken by the ruling party, because that is chosen by people. Name the oldest political party of India. Options are Indian National Congress or Congress Party, Bahujan Samaj Party, Bharatiya Janata Party or the Communist Party. And students, आपको तो I think idea होगा ही, Indian National Congress is one of the oldest political party of India. So answer is INC or Indian National Congress. How many parties are required in any democratic system to compete in elections in order to come to power? तो बड़ा इजी क्वेश्चन है. किसी भी इलेक्शन के लिए मिनिमम एक ऑपोजिशन और एक पार्टी चाहिए ना, तो इसलिए मिनिमम 2 पार्टीज चाहिए होती हैं. तो ऑप्शन हमारे पास क्या क्या दिए इन्होंने, एटलीस्ट 4 पार्टीज, 3 पार्टीज, 2 पार्टीज और मोर देन 2 पार्टीज. सो आंसर इज एटलीस्ट 2 पार्टीज. सो वी नीड एटलीस्ट 2 parties in any democratic system to compete in elections in order to come to power. Now, a recognized political party is, so students, you can also get a short question on this कि please explain what is a recognized political party. So options हैं, a party that is based on regional and communal diversity. नहीं, this is not correct. A party that is present in several and all units of the federation. That is also not correct. A party that is present in only one of the federal units. That is also not correct. The last option is a party recognized by the election commission with all the privileges and facilities. That is the correct answer. So any party which is recognized by the election commission with all the privileges and the facilities is a recognized political party. Who founded the Bharatiya Janata Party? Options हैं, श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी, दीन दयाल उपाध्याय, भारतीय जनसंघ और ममता बनर्जी. So students, again an important one. Who founded the Bharatiya Janata Party? It was founded by Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. We will also refer to the book because it could be confusing. Bharatiya Janata Party was founded in 1980. ठीक है, कब हुई थी फाउंडेशन इसकी? 1980 में. बाय रिवाइविंग द अर्स्टवाइल, यानी कि पहले कुछ और एक पार्टी थी जिसका नाम था भारतीय जनसंघ, फाउंड बाय श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी इन 1951. सो हु फाउंडेड द भारतीय जनता पार्टी? इन अ वे इट वाज श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी, और ये रिवाइव किया था जो कि भारतीय जनसंघ थी. द टर्म पार्टीसन means a person who is strongly committed to a party, the ruling party which runs the government, affair of the state or the science of the governance, a group of people who come together to promote common beliefs. So students, the term partisan जो ये आपके बुक में glossary में लिखा होगा, it actually means a person who is strongly committed to a party. So अब देखेंगे in the book it is mentioned a person who is strongly committed to a party, group or faction. Partisanship is marked by a tendency to take side and inability to take a balanced view on an issue. In which year was the Communist Party of India formed, or CPI was formed? Options are 1955, 25, 45 and 1935. And students, answer for this is CPI was formed in 1925. When was the BJP founded? 1990, 1960, 1970 और 1980. स्टूडेंट्स, हमने थोड़ी देर पहले रेफर किया था. इट वॉज फाउंडेड इन 1980 बाय रिवाइविंग द अर्स्टवाइल भारतीय जनसंघ. Which one of the following is not a political party? INC, BAM, CEF, BJP और BSP. बड़ा इजी क्वेश्चन है. जो BAMSEF है, दैट इज नथिंग रिलेटेड टू एनी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी. What is a signed document submitted to an officer regarding her personal information called as? It is called as a declaration, it is called as an agreement, it is called as an affidavit, or it is called as an appeal. Again a very easy one, students. It is called as an affidavit. The number of political parties registered with the Election Commission of India is 705 parties, more than 750 parties, 750 parties, or less than 750 parties. So students, अगर आपने चैप्टर पढ़ा है, it is mentioned there are more than 750 parties registered there. In which of these categories can the Indian National Congress be put? तो INC जो है इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस, इसको हम कौन सी कैटेगरी में डाल सकते हैं? राइटिस्ट, लेफ्टिस्ट, सेंट्रिस्ट और नन ऑफ दीज? And students, answer for this is Indian National Congress can be put into the centrist party because it is neither leftist nor rightist. When and under whose leadership was Bahujan Samaj Party formed? Options हैं 1986 भजन लाल, 1982 मायावती, 1985 मुलायम सिंह यादव और 1984 काशीराम. सो स्टूडेंट्स, ये तो बड़ा इजी क्वेश्चन है, आपको सबको पता भी होना चाहिए। जो बहुजन समाज पार्टी है बीएसपी, इट वाज फॉर्म्ड इन 1984 फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एंड अंडर द leadership of Kashiram. And students, this brings to the last question of the part 1 of political parties. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please do like, subscribe and share to my channel. It keeps me motivated, and I will be also publishing a model paper very soon. So those parties that lose in the elections cannot criticize the government, can still run the government, can make policies and programs, or play the role of opposition. Very easy answer, they can still play the role of opposition. And thank you students for watching this video. I will be uploading the part 2, part 3 and part 4 very soon. I wish you all the success and good luck for your exam and life. Keep watching.